Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We're here to discuss how company XYZ enhance its project management practice by implementing an information management system. This presentation will cover the challenges faced by the company, the impact of the new system, and the additional recommendation to further optimize their operation. Let's dive in. Company XYZ is a mid-sized software development firm that struggled with the several project management issues. The main challenges included fragmented information across tools, making it too difficult to coordinate effectively. Number 2, delay caused by outdated or missing data. Number 3, a lack of real-time visibility into project progress, which is hindered proactive problem solving. Number 4, challenges in securely sharing sensitive project information. To address this, the company implemented a centralized information management system. This presentation evaluates system impact and purpose further enhancement to solidify its success. Let's look deeper in the specific challenges. Number 1, inconsistent and fragmented information. Teams relied on the multiple disconnected tools, leading to duplication, errors, and wasted time. Number 2, delays in the project timelines. Critical tasks were delayed because important data was outdated or unavailable, causing client dissatisfaction. Number 3, lack of real-time visibility. Without live tracking tools, managers couldn't address issues promptly, resulting in missed milestones. Number 4, difficulty in secure sharing. Weak security measures made sharing sensitive information between teams and external stakeholders risky. These challenges created inefficient and highlighted the need of integrated solution.
Now let's discuss the positive impact of the new information management system. The system consolidated all project-related data into a singular centralized repository. This eliminated data silos, enabling consistent communication and better collaboration. Enhanced security protocols such as role-based access and encryption. Ensured that sensitive data remains protected, only authorized personnel could access or edit information. With real-time collaboration tools, team members could instantly view updates, improving coordination and decision-making. The system advanced analytic features provided managers with detailed insights into resource utilization and project performance, enabling proactive planning and risk management. Although the system has been effective, there are still opportunities for improvement. By automating tasks like progress updates and resource allocation, the company can save time and reduce human error. Introducing AI can help predict delays, budget, overruns, and resource constraints, enabling managers to act proactively. Providing ongoing training ensures that all employees fully utilize the system features, maximizing its potential. Establishing a feedback loop allows teams to share their experiences with the system and suggest improvements. This fosters continuous optimization.
In conclusion, the information management system has addressed several key challenges faced by company XYZ, including fragmented information and lack of real-time visibility. It was streamlined collaboration, enhanced security, and improved decision-making.
Build on this success, we recommend focusing on automation, predictive analytics, ongoing training, and incorporating feedback into system updates. These steps will help company XYZ achieve even greater efficiency and long-term success in project management system. Thank you for your attention. We hope this presentation has provided valuable insights on how effective information management can transform project management. We're happy to take any questions you have.